Hello, welcome guys to the next video. So last time we have discussed what is a JSX and how to display current date and time in JSX. What are the attributes of JSX, and one bonus also we have discussed what is template literals, which is a ECMAScript 6 concept. So today the target is create one simple calculator app because I want like you guys to be pro in JSX so that you can use and understand the JSX better, because JSX is the most powerful concept of React. So that is why I want to create one more application which will be normal calculator application. So there like we'll find the sum of two number, division of two number, multiplication of two number, and subtraction of two number. Let's see how to achieve this. And at end of this function we'll see, like if the time permits, like we'll see what is props and why do we need props, how to use props in React, and what is the benefit of having props. Move into the index.js. Last time in index.js we just imported the app, and in app we have imported demo message. In welcome to Codecraft Frontend and demo message, what is there in demo message? Demo message we have a lot of things, template literals. Now for time being I'm just so one more thing I like to tell, like all this course I am going to post it in the GitHub or GitLab. I'll provide the GitHub or GitLab link in this video description. From there you can download the source code. So for time being, let the demo message will be there. I'm just going to unlink the demo message from the app component. Okay, let's unlink it. Yeah, bubble is done, compilation is done. Let's move into the Google Chrome. Yeah, we have that one liner code. Welcome to CCF. Please like and subscribe. So let's do our calculator app. For calculator app, I just created one more file inside parallel to the source folder. New file. I told you give the first letter capital, calc dot, give the extension as JSX. Okay, so okay, let's create it. This is a blank file. So here I'll do one thing. I'll write normal component. Okay, I'll not use ECMAScript arrow function. I'll just create component. Okay. So here in the app.js, let's include that add function. So inside the h1 I like to call that function add. Suppose I'm giving 10 2. Okay, this is a normal HTML code, but if you'll write it inside the JSX you have to use curly braces. Okay, here so it will call the add function quoted from the calc file. Let's see how it behaves. Yeah, so the addition is done. So subtraction, multiplication, everything you can do like this. Let me quickly copy these here. Okay, so all these files we did, but we have only exported the default add. I told you, like if you are going to write multiple functions or components in a file, so you can do only one default, but for everything you have to do normal. As an object you have to export add, subtraction, sub, then merge, then division. That's it. Okay, save it and make sure this name will equal. If you will give small d, then it should be small d. If you will capital D, it will be capital D. Okay, let me copy it. If you will like put it normal, you have to import it. Yeah, I thought like I told this in previous video, like if you have like earlier I have kept add only, it was default, so no need of brackets. If it is not default, then you have to keep it in the brackets. so all four I have not kept default, it is only exported, and that is why I have put a pair of curly braces, and I have exported it from calc. Then a call, compilation is done, 10 to 2, so the result is 12 8 25. Okay, so you can 10 add 10 go to 12 subsection 8, this is 25. You can put the message here whatever you want. The result is, okay, you can put it as a string, or maybe template literals I explained last time. You can use the template literals, that is the assignment. Okay, so all other places you will put the message. Yeah, the result is 12, so you will correct it, guys. I hope like you can do it. So this is the task, like use template literals here, and just put the appropriate message. So let's move into the other section of it. So what left for today is what is the prop, why we need props, how to use props in React. Okay, so for that let me this calci. Okay, let me comment this four now. Okay, let me keep only one line, and before we want to know props, let me explain something. Let me write it here. Input type equals to text. Okay, value equals to Rajesh. Yeah, correct. So input is a self-closing tag. You can self-close it, or you can separately close it. That there is no issue at all. Just I am going to save it inside the app.js, and let's run it. You can see. So let's open the console. Okay, open the console. In console, go to the console. What is the warning? Content editable. All these things are warning. There is no error. I'm just removing it. So this Rajesh, if I'll inspect, you see this is input, type equals to text, and value equals to Rajesh. Okay, so here you can see something called $0. This is the element. This is a I mean HTML element. So this $0 identifies like this particular element, this particular input element. Let's see what $0 is. $0, if I'll type it here, I'll get the entire input field. Okay, so this type and value, yesterday I told in JSX attributes, these all things are attributes. Okay, HTML attributes, but here we called it as a JSX attributes. So anyhow, like finally we get $0. If I'll write $0 dot type, let's see what it will give. It will give text. Okay, so like that, if I'll write $0 dot value, it will give Rajesh. Okay, which is the default value here. But if I'll write $0 dot message, it will give me undefined. So because there is no attributes or no properties, okay, there, so which is having like called as a message. Just think like React allow us to use properties, custom properties, which is called props. Props is nothing. Props is just a abbreviation, short form of properties. So to communicate between components, I mean to talk between components, to communicate data, whatever, in what way you can think. If you want to communicate between two components, or you want to pass a message from a component to other component, you have to pass a props from that component to other component from where you communicate. I told you like I follow generally three sites. Like let's go to W3 school for small concepts. This is better. So here for an example, this is a component. Car is a component. I told this is self-closing tag. So here brand is a props, and they are passing the value as what. Okay, so let's do it in our project. So how to do it? Okay, so I'll create one demo message component was there. Yeah, demo message component it is there. In demo message component, let me comment everything. Okay, I commented everything, and this date and time also I do not need it now. Let me comment it, otherwise it will be too heavy. Just one line of code. My name is fname and last name is this one. Okay, so my first name last name is there. Let me uh, do one thing. Let's keep the first name as null. Okay, so the output it will only give only my last name, because the first name is null, nothing. I have keep a blank string, and I'll copy this demo message and I'll go to my app.js. Here let me comment it out. This will be just for your understanding. So uncomment this demo message. Okay, uncomment this demo message. Let's run what is coming up. Yeah, see, welcome to CodeCraft Frontend. This is coming from app.js, this one, this h1. Okay, and to br slash, which will be the next line. In demo message, what it is coming from demo message, it is coming only my name. First name is null, ccf, and last name. So my first name is, let me change the message. First name is this and last name is this. Okay, so let's see. You can see my first name is nothing. Okay, because it is a blank string, and last name is Mahapatra. Okay, so let's see how to if I want to pass like this first name from the first page, I mean from app.js, how to do that. Okay, so let me pass something like if name equals to, I'll do Rajesh. Okay, so this is one thing done, and in the demo message component, let me pass like here, this is the component in functional component. Inside this you have to pass a argument props. Okay, so let's save it. Sorry. Okay, props. Let's do a console.log props here. Console.log props. Sorry. Props. Okay, so let's see what it is coming. Compilation successful. Console.com. It is coming. See, first name is Rajesh. Let me remove all other console lines so that it will be easy for you. Where is the other console lines? Where is the console lines? Console.log current date. This is what it is coming. So I have commented this. Let's clear it out. Clear it. Only I am getting that this is like, okay, let me put a custom message here. The value of props is better to use template literals here. Yeah, so the value of props is props. Okay, so let me run it. Yeah, the value of props is props. It is a object, because props it is coming like this. F name Rajesh, it is a object, so that is why it is not manipulating the object. So if you write f name props.fname, it will give us Rajesh. For an example, it will be props name. So props.fname. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, the value of props is Rajesh. Simple. So what we'll do, we'll go here, we'll copy this props not fname. Instead of this blank string, we'll assign it props.fname. Okay, then already we are displaying my first name is Rajesh and last name is Mahapatra. So let's see, my first name is Rajesh and last name is Mahabatra. This is so simple, like how to use props. So what we did, let's summarize it quickly. So in app.js we are passing a property. Props means properties, like f name, and the value we have passed only a normal string Rajesh. Later we can pass array here, object here, anything we can pass, but this is a simple concept of props. Later we can see the manipulations. Okay, so simply here I passed a string only Rajesh, and there I just uh, inside the new demo message component I pass the props as inside the function, and as props is the object, I just take this props dot first name. Okay, let's format the document. Formatting is a better practice. Okay, so for props we may need to do array and I mean like objects how to pass, but see, just read this documentation once. They are like same thing they have explained how to pass data. Here I am passing like there I was passing brand is all, and like see, here in the function I have taken props as a argument. This is a normal function, we are using arrow functions, so not much difference, but React suggests to use arrow functions because arrow functions is way better and the performance is improved in arrow function. So it is having some advantages, arrow function having normal uh, traditional functions. You can see old JavaScript functions. So it is returning prop.brand. Okay, so it will give what. Okay, same thing they did it, and here there is a functional component garage and return garage car brand is also what, and they are just using it in the same way. Okay, this is what a props is. So we'll discuss regarding more in the next class. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.